That would be Michael. And that would be Q. Back to business as usual. As usual. Harassing, accosting, disorderly conduct, aggressive actions, racial hatred, hate crimes. I could keep going. Do you want me to keep going, TPI? Until you do something about this? Because this is not going to stop. It's going to continue. You see this unruly child, unsupervised, cannot control his aggression and anger. Peeping, invasion of privacy. That's accosting and that's assault on property. Do you want me to keep on, TPI? Because I can and I will.